I'm Jason Stahl, the Ohio Technical College in Cleveland. I'm here with Kevin Lewis from U-POL, who will share their latest addition to the Raptor lineup, Raptor Rubberized Undercoating. Kevin, so tell me about the Raptor Rubberized Undercoating.
Raptor Rubberized Undercoating is designed for application to vehicle underbodies, quarter panels, and wheel wells. It dries to a soft finish that protects against rust and stone chips while reducing road noise. It's also paintable for a customized finish.
That's great. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what you'll demonstrate today?
Today, I'll show you how to apply the Raptor Rubberized Undercoating to the wheel wells on a 69 Firebird the students here at Ohio Technical College are restoring.
Perfect. That's a very common application, I think. What's a brief explanation of the application process?
After the wheel is removed, you'll want to remove any rust that appears on the surface with a wire brush, grinder, or similar tool. Next, it's time to clean and degrease the surface before sanding. Then, lightly sand is needed. Use 400 to 600 grit on painted surfaces and 180 to 240 on bare metal. Then, clean and degrease before application. Once the surface is dry, you may want to mask off any surrounding areas to protect them from overspray. For any exposed bare metal, we recommend applying 1 to 2 coats of our Raptor Acid Etch Primer before spraying the Raptor Rubberized Undercoating. After that, you're ready to go. You want to shake the can of rubberized undercoating for 2 minutes and then apply it with a sweeping motion, slightly overlapping coats with each pass. And change the angle as you spray for maximum coverage.
How many coats are needed?
We recommend 2 coats with a 1 to 2 minute flash time in between coats.
Great, Kevin. How about we get started? Thanks again for being here today, Kevin. Where can people go for more information about the Raptor Rubberized Undercoating?
To find out more about our products, you can go to www.raptorcoatings.com.
Awesome, thank you.